Hi, friends!
Port Hawkesbury is found on southern Cape Breton Island, Nova Scotia. Its slogan, "Opportunities Await," reflects the town's promise and potential. The history of Port Hawkesbury goes back thousands of years. After the ice melted around 13,500 years ago, the first Paleo-Indian settlements appeared. This area is part of Mi'kmaq, the traditional territory of the Mi'kmaq Nation. Port Hawkesbury was founded in 1789 as Ship Harbour but was later renamed in honor of Admiral Sir Edward Hawke. The town was a hub for shipbuilding in the 19th century, creating ships for the timber export trade. One notable ship, the brig James, is featured in one of Canada's earliest ship portraits. Local boat builders also crafted schooners and fishing boats for the inshore and bank fisheries. Port Hawkesbury is a great destination for nature lovers. The Port Hawkesbury Community Trails, situated in the heart of town, feature 5 main trails: Hemlock, Maple, Spruce, Tamarack, and Centennial Woodland, covering a total of 10 kilometers. Thank you for joining us in discovering the beauty and history of Port Hawkesbury, Nova Scotia.
Thanks for watching.